Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to make a beautiful rose from autumn leaves. It's simple, quick, and perfect for fall decor. Grab 10 to 15 flexible leaves, a bit of wire or string, and scissors if you need them. Pick 10 to 15 colorful leaves that are still flexible. Mix reds, oranges, yellows, and browns for a natural look. Take one small leaf, fold it lengthwise with the colored side facing out. Roll it tightly from one edge to the other. This becomes the rose's center. Hold it gently between your thumb and finger. Take another leaf and fold it lengthwise. Wrap it around the center a little more loosely so the top edge forms a petal rim. Keep the folded edge visible at the top. Continue adding leaves one at a time. Fold each leaf lengthwise, then wrap it around the growing rose, overlapping slightly as you go. Turn the rose a little with each new leaf so the petals spiral naturally. Keep wrapping until the rose is the size you want. Pinch the bottom of the rose tightly to hold the leaves in place. Wrap a short piece of string around the base and twist or tie it so the petals won't fall out. Gently curl the outer petal edges outward with your fingers to make the rose look more open and natural. That's it, a handmade autumn leaves rose. Make several roses and tie them together as a bouquet. If you try this, I'd love to see your photos. Tag me or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple fall crafts.